description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one. This is a collaboration between Sapporo Ichiban and Min Min Ramen Shop over in Japan. And this is a fancy shoyu. And it's in one of these wonderful big plastic cups. And I really like these things. What I don't generally like are these, the rubber or plastic cellophane or whatever you call it. The deal things. Anyways, I don't like those. Noodle. Powder base. Powder base alpha. Oh, what a day. It's already been a day, folks. Okay. Up to the line. We're off. We're on top. And we're rolling. So it is January 23rd, 2024. So tomorrow, I've been a big Star Trek fan since I was a kid, and tomorrow they're coming out with this movie on Paramount Plus called Section 31, and the reviews of it, like what people are saying about it, are as if you didn't know what a review was. The reviews about it have been horrible, like absolutely horrible. And the trailers for it are horrible. People are saying this isn't Star Trek. And I don't think it is. I mean, it's like I absolutely hated when they came out with Star Trek Discovery. If you even knew about Star Trek Discovery, that's pretty amazing. I watched a little bit of it. It's like they decided that what we need to do to make the Star Trek universe better, we just need to make everybody, first off, have a foul mouth. That's number one. Number two, we need to make the dialogue identical to that CBS show CSI. I mean, the way the episodes of that show were done, it was just like talk, long dramatic pauses all through it, pithy statements. The same thing with the Picard show. It was stupid. It really bummed me out, man. The only one of any of the new Star Treks that I've liked was Star Trek Strange New Worlds. That one is good, even though it was interspersed with complete bullshit. The Lower Decks show, I don't know, man. They got like all these fanboys out there that are, or I guess fan people, that are out there that like that did we really need a cartoon Star Trek comedy? And they're coming out with a live action Star Trek comedy. So it's like, who wants this stuff? I certainly don't. I don't know. There's still a lot of people, like my buddy Jamie. He isn't even into Next Generation. He's just about original series with Kirk and Spock and McCoy, which is kind of funny. We were watching after the cartoons are done in the morning, and then after Leave It to Beaver, they do 2 episodes. When that's done, it's like I have this TV station as my timer for when it's time to get the kids on the bus, basically. And it's like, as soon as we're like 3 minutes into Perry Mason, let's get the F out of here, right? We gotta get to the bus stop. Well, Guess who was on Perry Mason? Dr. McCoy. Like a really young Dr. McCoy. He also did a whole bunch of westerns too. But Perry Mason was on CBS, and so that's the thing. You've got all these stations like Me TV and Antenna TV. I think there's another one. And they all do rebroadcasts of ancient CBS shows. I think they're doing something right because they're making money off... Well, they're making advertising revenue. I don't know how much money they're making. Which, you know... They're selling ads on their networks. But they're all just... It's stuff that's already been made, and they own the copyright, too. So, they're set. It's a good idea. I would think NBC would do that, too. Maybe they do, and I just don't realize it, but... This is terrestrial broadcasting, so it's coming over the antenna. Our setup is pretty rad. I really like it. They used to have a thing called the Fire TV Recast, and it's basically like a TiVo. It's a hard drive, you can set up stuff to watch, and it's also a TV tuner. And that sits over by the window where I take my pretty pictures of these things when they're done. And then I've got a Fire TV, so I can just tell it, you know, tune to channel 12, or, you know, tune to this station or that station, and then we can watch a show, or we can have it record the news, stuff like that. It's fancy, but they got rid of it. I guess they don't make those things anymore. The day that thing dies, I'm gonna be pissed. Well, let's give this a try. Noodle hydrated well. By the way, did I mention this came out of a Nakama Noodles box? You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount there. Here's the broth. It's an interesting broth because it's got a little bit of weird tanginess to it. I can't quite put my finger on what it is, but yeah. I'm interested. Somewhat enamored. Somewhat. Is this one I'd be like, I'm gonna eat this whole bowl, oh my god. No. No, unfortunately no. Okay, don't go crazy, don't go crazy, don't go crazy. Alright. Now. Doll it up and then go on to the next one. Doll that one up and go on to the next one. Homemade chashu. Crack torch. Scallion. Kind of got a plan for this one. I'm gonna load a bunch of scallion. I got all these books yesterday. I'm thinking of talking to the book company and saying, hey, I want to do a ramen book. I don't want to just do a cookbook, and I don't want to do something silly. And that's where I think the conversation will end. Oh, we only want to do silly stuff about their books. Like, no. Come on. Let's not just be silly. Let's not be idiots. I want to do something that's actually good. Wow. Of all the All the chili crisps I've gotten so far, oh, there were 2 of them. It's like candy. But that, this one, I guess that's upside down, isn't it? This one, I'd say seek out. It's got a really nice garlickiness. It's not like violently spicy in any way, shape, or form. That one and Kari Kari Chili Crisp, 2 wonderful comers to the group. Well, hey, thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The next one you're going to see is one that came by way of Noodle Journey. Look up Noodle Journey. Check out his channel on YouTube. Thank you very much, dude. This is Samyang Foods with their hot pepper jambong ramen. And fiery hot. And then it has little pepper. Pepper the kitty kitty. Wait, why isn't this? What? Oh, okay. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.